Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your online sales with WooCommerce, detailed guide step by step clearly. To protect your online sales with WooCommerce, start by ensuring your website is hosted on a secure server. Choose a reputable hosting provider that offers SSL certificates for encrypting data. Install an SSL certificate to secure the connection between your customer's browser and your website. Update your WooCommerce plugin and all other themes and plugins regularly to patch any security vulnerabilities. Enable two-factor authentication for additional security on your admin accounts. Use strong, unique passwords for all users on your site and encourage customers to do the same. Install a security plugin like WordFence or Securi to monitor for malware and suspicious activities. Set up regular backups of your website to recover from potential data loss. Limit login attempts to prevent brute force attacks on user accounts. Implement a firewall to filter out harmful traffic before it reaches your site. Ensure all payment gateways you use are PCI compliant to secure credit card transactions. Offer multiple payment options to give customers safer alternatives. Regularly review your site's security logs to spot any unusual activity. Educate your team about online security best practices to foster a culture of vigilance. Utilize HTTPS across your entire site, not just on checkout pages, to enhance security for all users. Keep sensitive customer information to a minimum and avoid storing unnecessary data. Monitor customer accounts for suspicious activities and reach out immediately if inquiries arise. Conduct periodic security audits to identify potential risks and weaknesses. Providing a secure shopping experience not only protects your sales but also builds trust with your customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.